What's good, gang? Y'all see me look a little, you know, rough. I was supposed to get that cut today, but
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Jerry.
I had to run a few places in a daily. But as y'all see, I got the whole, you know, whole package. Just the oil package though, but this whole box is gonna be just a few videos right here.
What a bunch of fucking bullshit.
It's a whole. I ain't even gonna let y'all see that. That's the oil. That's that oil filter right there. Anyway, yeah, so that's some other shit. That's it. But yeah, that's a whole nother video. But this whole box is a few videos right here. This the main one we focusing on today. That's what we focusing on. See that? About to lift that boy up. Boy, I ain't
What the f?
really move it since I haven't moved this car in like 3-4 months. 3-4 months, my bad. 3-4 weeks. Hey, but yeah. So I'm about to go ahead, lift this boy up, get up under there. Oh yeah. Got these tools. It said 10 millimeter, but I got the 11 too just in case. But they said the 10. You know, this is my first time. I done changed the oil like 2-3 times at the shop. And man, I ain't gonna lie. I looked at the shit. I looked it up. And I was like, that don't even look that hard. And it's like, man, you a man. Go ahead and try to do that.
Boy, if you don't get.
So, I'm about to go ahead, you know. If I don't know what I'm doing, or I think I'm stopping right there. Right there, I ain't gonna lie. I call somebody, you feel me? Let them pull up and do it. So, yeah. Y'all gonna see that. I'm about to jack it up. I'm about to jack that boy up. See this small ass shit, but yeah. It's been sitting there because I've been really waiting, and it's been raining too. But I've been waiting on the package. Plus, they had changed the whole delivery schedule. So, anyways, but yeah. And there we finally got that done. See. got them about the same. And when you do this, you put that on. You gotta put that on when you jacking up your car. I mean, they gonna do it at the shop, but I'm just letting you know. Going back right here, got the little tube, the spare one. It's the oil filter. That's what I'm using to catch the oil. I might need a big one, but I think this should work. But I'm gonna keep some by just in case. What's good, y'all? I actually had to stop the video because I was saying the wrong size and I grabbed the wrong size. It's actually 13. It's a 13. It's actually 13 to take off, so I had to stop the whole thing. But that's still under there. But I had to stop the whole thing to go get the right tools. So I'm back. I had to get a little old shirt. That shit was greasy. I had to use a little grease to get the other 10 mil off. But the right size is 13, so now putting that 13 on here. Alright, so now I'm about to slide up under there. Y'all can't see me, but I'm about to. See, some of them, they have like a black, like the video I watched, he had a black cover. So like he had to take a cover piece off, but it was just like 4 screws. But he had to take a cover piece off right here so he could get to this, but mine is already off, so I ain't really got to. So I just gotta get right here, set that up, and then the oil filter, which is white like I said, is on the other side right here. So I gotta take that screw out, let that drain, and then get the oil filter. All right, dang, fighting with that. I was fighting with that for a minute, but y'all probably can't see. But that, finally got it off, so now that oil finna come dripping out. Fuck. And I kinda missed some.
I'm just let y'all see. So, yeah, that's a lot of oil. It's still going.
And here's the oil filter. I was trying to just move it out the way. Shit, see my hand. This ain't too much of a drip though. But y'all see that mud. Oil filter fell in the oil. It was white. Bar right here. Bar right here. Take the top off. Really working with one hand, but I'm good. I didn't do it like that. do your little, flip. Hold on. Flip is gonna look all coated, kind of be dripping. So I'm gonna kind of sit right there. Then I'm gonna slide back under there. And yeah, I got a total mess to clean back there. But it's all good, cause it's gonna get clean. So, engine body, the cleanest thing on my car right now. That's cause I cleaned it afterwards. I'm gonna go drain that. Actually, I'm finna go get a service, but I'm gonna do another vlog on that, so y'all just stay tuned. About to crack that open too. So every now and then I might just, pay them for their job. But since I'm gonna be doing this by myself, I'm not gonna tighten it up too much. You know what I'm saying? Tighten it up a little bit to where I can still kind of work, get it off easy. You know what I'm saying? And also to where it doesn't have any leaks. Be good to go. All right, that's good. Now that I did that, looks like, yeah, oil filter not really dripping or squirting how it was.
What do you mean by that?
It is dripping a little bit, but that's gonna be good. Now I'm gonna grab my new oil filter. So you see some of the oil kind of dripped down. See, I put enough of the oil on it, newer oil, to where that it'll be good and kind of just slide on there. And with the oil filter, you just twist till it's tight. Make sure it's good, sturdy on there, and sure, you're gonna be good. It's actually not even my first car that I changed oil on. My first car was my first car was the first car, which was a 2002 or somewhere 2000 to 2002 Lincoln Town car.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
That was the first car, and I only did it one time. My pops kind of hit me. I was 16. I ain't tripping, but So this is the white one. It fell in the oil, like I said earlier, so it's all oily. But this is the white one they gave me, and it just fell again. Clean that. Make sure you get this one right.
Make sure you don't strip it. Make sure it's good and tight, but not too tight. Make sure you don't strip this because it will be out of there. So, that's on there. That should be good to go.
That's not good. Grab that filter. That's one. That's 2. That's all in there. It's that drain. That's all of them. And once again, your inner stick, you can see it. I can see it, but yeah, focus, yeah. Good clean oil, that's a good change. Now, gotta run the car, but because I left my car off for so long, I need to charge my battery. So, stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'm back now. See, I got the battery charger like I said. See my shit dirty as hell, so. Lights on. See if we can get a run. Hold on. See if we can get it in run mode. Wrong key. That's the daily. Here we go. Okay. Like I said, I have not been driving. My stuff is out of there. So I'm about to see if I can crank it. Shit still said oil change required, but. We can't get no start right now, even though you hear it. I'm gonna just let it juice up. I got it on. See, it's 30. Hold on. That's the timer right there. It's about in between 60 and 30. So about 40 minutes, I'm gonna let my stuff do what it do. I actually gotta run an errand, so by the time I get back or done, it should be good. But for the most part, that's how you do it. Last part gonna be the engine starting up. I'm gonna make sure I put it in there so y'all know that I did that right. Start doing your own thing, man. There you go. Did not want to focus. But yeah, man, make sure y'all do your own oil change, man. Learn how to do that. And like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, man. I'm gonna be dropping more videos. This is my first one. This is #1 right here on the channel. More shit. Plus I'm finna do something to that. So yeah, more shit on the way. So it was good. I didn't get to see the car start up because I didn't even know what I was doing with the battery charger at first. But because it rained, Got me a free little wash. Now we back up in that action. Man. That, don't even worry about that. I'm about to set up a service. That's what they said I need. So, I'm about to get this service. Freebies. But, yeah, that's basically what I gotta do. And I've been let it run because I took it around the block. And
back to back in Hellcat track calls, you think we racing? Back to back. Got bankroll blue. Mind me saying fuck nigga. How the fuck nigga big slam when you drop down on other niggas? Ayy.